Hello, welcome to Smiling Service. Once again, this is a review of customer 947. This is the M1 Macbook Air M1 model A2337. So the problem that customer sent us, it was the cannot connect to the external display because of the Type C port. The trace is broken, very bad. So we need to replace one of the. It comes with a pair Type C. So I already got a new one insert on the laptop. So let's test it out. Battery connectors were connected, and let's put on the cover for protection. Okay. And charger. Got a logo on the screen. You see the laptop stand on, and let's go and test it with the external display. See is it working? Okay, seems to be everything is fine. We got a second display. Let's switch the second part, see is it working or not. Yeah, okay, we got a stable connection. As you can see, the problem was solved. If you have any MacBook that's facing the same issue like this customer facing, feel free to contact us at the Smiling Service. Thank you for watching the video. See you next video. Bye bye.